Oh, there's some signal coming in. It's coming closer. But I guess it's normal. There are a lot of drones flying. Maybe it's ours. But I know this road. And I know this car. Get the out! Hi guys, my name is Tim and I'm in Ukraine right now. And guess what? In Ukraine the air is a risk zone because drones can appear everywhere at any time and you basically can do nothing against it. But you can detect them and this will give you time. And this is the most important thing and I'm going to show you how with the Obriy device. To fight off a drone, you must see it. But seeing a drone when it flies to you, it's very hard because they're flying up to 300 or more kilometers per hour. So you have basically no time to see it and put your shotgun or any kind of anti-drone device out and use it. And that's why you have to detect it before it even sees you. And this is what Obriy can do. So last time basically all I could do was running away from the drone and hiding from it. But now I can fight it back with the jammer. This thing jams the drone and interrupts the signal between operator and drone itself. And the best thing about these two devices together is that the detector can activate the jammer by itself. You can see it here. Jammer activated. You can see what it does to the drone. I activate it. Jams the signal of the drone. And now it's going down. But jammers are not that easy as you think. You know that the most jammers which are sold are like on legal frequencies, but as you know that drones or FPVs mostly flying on illegal frequencies. So the most jammers are basically ineffective. They can't do anything. So you turn it on and the drone will keep focusing on you and maybe even kill you.